Lounge. I'm Hisham Jamili Kanviwala and I hope you all are doing well. Today's my guest is an extraordinary 14 years old student who made a powerful decision to relocate from her hometown, Hujra Shah Mukim, to Islamabad just to pursue a higher purpose in life. And she is known as Dua Training Wali, a determined young changemaker from Rehan School Islamabad campus with a vision to transform lives through knowledge, training, and education. So let's explore her journey of purpose, growth, and leadership, and let's dive into our today's amazing podcast. First of all, Assalamu alaikum Dua, how are you?
Walaikum Assalam. I am fine and what's about you?
I'm also fine. Thank you so much for asking. And Dua, first of all, to begin our today's podcast, would you please introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about your background?
Okay, so Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Joy Justin Wali and I am level student at Rehan School Sabad campus. So I am basically in Hujjar Shamkim and country residing in Islamabad, especially for AI school.
Like it's mean you have just moved from your hometown to Islamabad just to pursue your studies, right?
Yes, right.
Okay. Okay, so Dua, can you tell us that as you left your hometown at just 14 to move to Islamabad for education? So, what motivated this life changing vacancy? Why, like, you take this decision to move from your hometown to Islamabad just to study? Your mic is muted, I think.
Sorry, my mic is muted. So, my so I saw education as my only route out for limitation. I wanted to break these cycle not just for me but for every girls back home. I believe in something bigger, a purpose waiting for me in Islamabad.
Okay, like the main question was that as you asked, you just moved from your hometown to Islamabad just to pursue your studies, just for a school. So I am asking that I think there should be a school in your village, hometown. So why you have not joined that school and why you have moved to Islamabad for your studies? That was my main question.
Sorry, please repeat the question. Sorry.
My question is that I think there would be a school in your hometown, right? Is there is a school in your hometown? Is there is a school in your hometown or not? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, so it's been in your village, in your hometown, there is a school. So my main question is why you have moved to Islamabad, but you can also join that school in your village. Why you have moved to this Islamabad? That was my main question.
Okay. So. Uh, So, my move Islamabad to Islamabad to Hussain to Islamabad because I want to learn new skills and learn AI and graphic designer.
Hmm.
And,
So I understand what you want to ask. Okay, I understand, but the simple thing is you can say that in Islamabad there is a first AI based school. So you can say I was just moved to my hometown to Islamabad just to learn digital skills from an AI based school. Because school is a first AI based school, so that's why I moved to Islamabad just to pursue my studies because I don't want to continue anymore the traditional study. You can say the simple things like that.
okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So, Dua, now next, can you tell us that what is your title represent and what kind of trainer do you dream of becoming? Like, as you have attached the Wala, we can say Wala, or we can say a title, Training Wali. So, why you have attached the title Training Valley, and what is the purpose of attaching Training Valley?
Okay. The purpose training body, So first of all, training yourself uh, and then training your people. And training means uh, the, I think
No, no, no worry. What, like you just say what you want to ask. No worry, it doesn't matter.
sorry, repeat the question.
Don't take tension. Just say what you want.
Okay. It presents options and leadership
Same.
team of
The
becoming
que-
a strong skill and trainer who builds confidence, education, and courage in girls from understand communities.
Okay, it's mean you want to become a trainer, like who will teach others
Yes.
like how to build confidence, how to become a talented, and how to, okay, understand. Okay, so next, um, okay, so Tuga, my next question is that can you tell us a little bit like what you have learned from the hand school till now in like as you're studying from, I think you're studying from 3 or 4 months in the hand school. So what you have learned so far from the hand school?
Yes, study in Rehan School for 5 months. So I learned Rehan School. So first of all, face camera and drawing task, daily task like interview given taken and call any faceless video and story post, Canva post.
Okay, thank you so much for telling your expertise and all the things you have learned from the high school. So, like, if it is not difficult for you, so can you explain like what are the benefits of these all tasks? If it is not hard for you, then if it is hard, so then we can skip it.
Sorry, please repeat the question.
My question is that can you please tell us the benefits of all the tasks you have told? And if it is difficult for you for explaining all the benefits, so we can skip it. No worry.
Okay, so benefit task. So, join the interview, build confidence, and studying skills improve, and call any task, improve English language.
Yes, yes. Okay, and what are the benefits of faceless videos and story post and TEDx reviews?
Okay, plus video improve environment. Uh,
To improve our creating skills or thinking
Coding
skills or
skills and
designing skills.
graphic designing skills.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so now can you explain about the curriculum of the Han School? What is the curriculum of the Han School and why it is different from the other traditional schools?
Okay, curriculum is for level. So uh, first, second, and third, fourth level, and difference other
No, no, no worry. You can continue. No.
okay. So, uh, so for curriculum of the answer.
So, like, what are the tasks of the level one? What we have to do in level one?
Sorry.
What are the tasks of level one? What are the work we have to do in level one? All the tasks.
Okay, 11 task is interview given taken and 250 interview given and taken and done and then call any business video, story post, Canva post.
Mhm. Okay, that's great. Thank you so much for telling us the task of the dance school. And like as you know that to like as in traditional school we have if we have to go in the next class, like if we are in eighth class we have to first pass the exams of eight, then we will move to the ninth. So what is the like what was the what is like we can say what we have to do to move forward from level 1 to level 2? Is there is any exams to do or not?
Yes, eighth class exam done and in 2 months learn college and move somewhere.
It was just an example, Dua. I'm asking you that as I told you that we have to pass eight class exams, then we move to nine. So what we have to do for moving first level to second level in Rehan school? Is there is any exam to give? Then we will pass to second level or not? That was my main question.
Uh, I think the harmful study level one.
Okay, we can skip it. I think it is hard for you to explanation, so no worry, we can skip it. So Dua, now can you tell us like as you move from your hometown, Gujarat Sham came to Islamabad. So can you tell us about the challenges? What challenges do you face in this journey from shifting from your hometown to Islamabad?
I think water issue and I think friend issue.
And
Hello.
I think you have also faced the fine home in the Islamabad.
Sorry.
Hello, can you hear me?
जी जी. Hello. Hello. Okay.
Okay, we have to. I'm going to take 2 minutes break. Hello, to take 2 minutes break.
Okay. 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 Okay.
So now we have to continue our podcast and we'll come back to the show. Hello, Dua, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear.
Okay, so Dua, can you tell us now about the Rihan School, the environment of Rihan School? What are the some things? What are the some of the things that are different, and what are the some different between traditional school and Rihan School?
Okay, so different Rehan school and traditional school. So Rehan school is first year school and traditional school is study for books and a digital school is study laptops devices. So,
Enough?
yes.
Okay, I think it is enough for us. So now we can move to next. So now Dua, can you tell us that how Rihan School is helping you to build these skills and what specific skills you are learning from Rihan School?
Yes, so Rehan school learning
It is the like it is so basic question. It is so basic question like what digital skills you are learning from the Rihan School?
sorry, please.
Dua, it is so simple question. What are you learning from Rehan School? What are the some they are so nice behind you? And my question is that what are the some digital skills you are learning from the Rehan School?
Yes, yes.
What yes.
Rehan School learning digital skills मतलब online platform skills मतलब I ये Rehan School learn and Rehan School learn provide education through digital and online platforms and through laptops. Um,
You are right. We are learning from laptops and we are learning digital skills. But what are those digital skills? What digital skills we are learning? I am asking for the name of the digital skill. As you can say, graphic designing. We can say web development. We can
coding.
say uh, talent building. We can say self confidence. These all are the digital skills. You can say this. So next, can you tell us about your goals? What is your life goal? What you want to become in your life?
Okay, my life goal is successfully uh, businessman and second goal is army officer.
Sorry, your voice is too low. Can you please repeat your
Okay,
answer?
my goal is army officer successful.
Sorry, your voice is not clear.
Okay, I am saying successful people and uh, army officer.
Army
Yes.
officer.
ऐसा क्या?
That was a good choice. But by in learning Rehan School, so can you tell us that how Rehan School will help you to become an army officer?
No. Rehan school no learning. Rehan school only digital. Rehan school
Okay,
only digital working and Skill, ध्यान school,
Okay, that's nice.
ध्यान school में skill.
Okay, so now, no worry, we can skip it. Now we have to. Now I'm going to discuss some of your favorites, some of your favorite things. So first of all, can you tell us about your three favorite dishes?
Okay, so my first was the burger, and second, so many people favorite biryani, and I also favorite biryani. And second,
Acha. And third,
and third, I think practice.
okay. So can you please tell us? Okay, so that's it. So can you please tell us about your some of your three favorite cities of Pakistan?
Okay, Sawar, Islamabad, and Lahore.
Okay, and some of your favorite three countries.
Singapore and Makam Karma and Turkey.
Okay, and some of your favorite three personalities.
Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, radio sir, and parents.
Okay, questions in which I will give you two.
Sorry, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही थी
Hello, can you hear me?
yes, about
Okay,
yes.
my next question is tea, tea or coffee? iPhone या Android?
Hello? You hear me?
Hello, can you hear me? Dua?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so Dua, now my interview time is almost completed. Almost completed. So in last, can you give a helpful advice to my viewers or any message you want to give? So you can say.
Okay, so your first advice give respect and then take respect. And
And if you have any question from me or anything you want to ask, you can.
no.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so Duas, thank you so much for giving your precious time. I really enjoyed the conversations and I learned a lot from you about your training and about all the things. And thank you so much again for giving your precious time. And so viewers, so today's my interview with who attending or you are sharing your remarkable journey and strength and vision represent the voice of every young girl who dares to dream bigger and lead boldly. So to our audience, if those journeys moved you, inspired you, or give you a new perspective, please like, share, subscribe. Let's continue to uplift and celebrate our young change makers across Pakistan. So see you next time with a new guest in my show. Till then, Allah Hafiz, and in hand as always, Pakistan Zindabad. Take care, all of you. Allah Hafiz.